What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be opening this Tpob slime. I just got these. I think they were like on sale for like 37 bucks or something like that. 37 and some change. Go check it out. It's a good deal. Give me 1 second here. Yeah, there they are. Back here, just got specs on it. Back here, look, if you guys can see that, I got the Tpob, the original Tpob that I just got last time. But here is a Tpob, and let's go check it out. It looks like almost like a phone. It's pretty cool, like when you get a brand new phone. They put that slime on there just to give it a little touch. It has a really nice packaging right off the bat. It's all on here. Oh, that just comes off like that. Put that aside. Then we got the main event here. We'll show this off now, why not? Look at this. Pretty clean. Nice and green. Hey, that rhymes. Check that out. Tpob. I figured I'd just get one more since I really like the Tpob Play. I got that back there, and then this here is just going to be another addition to what I currently have. Nice, nice, nice. After this, I might probably go on and try out the wall seniors. I want to see what that's about. Pretty clean so far. Look at this. Let me see. I'll tell you guys right now. Okay, so right off the bat, I will say the Tpob Play does feel a little bit more smoother on the lever. I don't know if it's just me, but this one feels like a lot plasticky, a lot cheaper. Hopefully it doesn't hopefully it's not too bad, you know, once I start cutting my hair with this. Guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe so you guys can help out the channel. So I can keep making these videos for you guys. Look at that. You can see the battery right in there. That's pretty cool. But other than that, I mean, it's just this little clicker that's throwing me off right now. It might just be me. I do want to change this out to the chunk blade later on. See how that goes. I want to try out their different blades. Okay, this one's a little bit hard to take out. Pretty much just instruction manual. You got some guards here. You got the, oh, this is like the ear, A and B. A and B, I don't know what that is. I have no idea what that is. Gotta have to check that out. You got the bigger guards here. You got the 1, and it looks like a huge guard right there, like the 6. This is a 3, and another one, oil, and this thing. And here you go. This is the dock where it's gonna sit at to charge your Tpob. Huh, this is different than the Play. This little ear sticking out right here, but I guess it goes right in there. And if it's just like that, not too bad, huh? All right. See what else is in there? Your charging cable. Go straight into the to the dock. I usually just charge mine right here. I throw this thing on there and just let it charge like that. All right, man. This is guys, this is the unboxing. Hope you guys like it. Like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next video. Peace.